Alright guys, so as you guys can see on the title, the SRT4 Dodge Neon is getting a huge upgrade. Over the weekend, I finally had time and the money to go over to my buddy Tyler's house. He's a local from Facebook I met, and he finally was upgrading the turbo on his PT Cruiser that he has, which is a 5-speed. And I got the chance to take that turbo off his PT Cruiser, and he gave me a hell of a deal because I took it off. It's a Hahn 20G. I'm currently in the process of removing this stalker here. I didn't get any video of me tearing into this. I got excited and I started working away at it. But I'm gonna go in the garage, grab that Hahn 20G, and at least show it to you guys, and show you guys what that looks like. It should get me to my goal of 400 horsepower, maybe a little more, but 400 I'll be more than satisfied. That's been my whole goal with this SRT4 Dodge Neon since I got it 3 years ago. So I'm gonna take this outside where there's some better light so you guys can check it out. Alright. So as you guys can see here, this is the Hahn 20G Turbo. And he also included the manifold for it. It does not have an external wastegate, which I currently have on my stock manifold. This one is internal wastegate, bolts up to the turbo, and it's on the rod. So that's something I'm gonna have to play around with, and hopefully I'm getting all the boost I want. If not, I'm gonna have to tie in a manual boost controller or get a bigger wastegate that has a bigger spring in it. But my plan is to at least push 21 pounds of boost through this turbo, and we'll see what she makes with all the supporting mods. I have the 450 pump, I have 1200cc AGP injectors, and I have cams and port work done to this car. The only thing that's really stopping me from making any more power is I have stock rods and pistons, but they're capable to hold up to 600 horsepower, but I don't want to push it that hard. I want to be able to enjoy it and not break it so soon. But once I get the stock manifold off the head, I'll pick this video back up, and hopefully I can get a little bit of footage for you guys on me installing this manifold and this turbo on the car. Thank you for watching so far. Alright guys, so I finally managed to get this stock manifold free away from the head, so figured I'd start recording so you guys can watch me finagle this thing out of here, or at least try to. Let me get up here. This is gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna completely remove the turbo away from the drain tube, and then I'll pick up again from there, because there's still a lot of stuff in the way. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, I got the big turbo manifold in place. Now what I'm gonna do is take the turbo, take the oil drain tube off it, and then we're gonna mate this to the exhaust housing, and we're gonna run the lines, and we should be ready to party here.